How do I get the object if it exists, or none if it does not exist in Django? When I ask the model manager to get an object, it raises dosNoteXist when there is no matching object. Instead of dosNoteXist, how can I have goBeNone instead?
There is no built-in way to do this. Django will raise the doesNoteXist exception every time. The idiomatic way to handle this in Python is to wrap it in a try-catch. What I did do is to subclass models.manager, create a safe_get like the code above and use that manager for my models. That way you can write some model.objects.safe_get foo equals bar.
Since Django 1.6 you can use first method like so.
You can create a generic function for this. Use this like below. Go will be none if no entry matches, else will return the content entry. Note it will raise this exception multiple objects returned if more than one entry returned for named equals baby. You should handle it on the data model to avoid this kind of error, but you may prefer to log it at runtime like this.
From Django docs. Get raises a dosNoteXist exception if an object is not found for the given parameters. This exception is also an attribute of the model class. The dosNoteXist exception inherits from django.core.exceptions.object_doesNoteXist. You can catch the exception and assign none to go.
You can do it this way. Now go variable could be either the object you want or none. Ref, this URL.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.